When it comes to outdoor entertainment, stunning visuals deserve equally impressive sound. The Sylvox ELF S 2.0 channel Bluetooth waterproof outdoor soundbar delivers just that, a rich, immersive audio experience, purpose-built to thrive in open-air environments. Engineered with an IP65 waterproof rating, the ELF S2 is not just splash-resistant, it's designed to stand strong against rain, dust, and humidity. Whether you're hosting a backyard movie night, enjoying your favorite playlist by the pool, or upgrading your patio TV setup, this soundbar is made to perform in any weather. Connecting your TV has never been easier. Thanks to HDMI ARC support and CEC compatibility, a single cable is all you need for audio and control integration. The ELF S2 also includes other input options to suit a variety of setups, and the full-function remote control ensures you're always in command. With custom mounting brackets tailored for Sylvox outdoor TVs and integrated wall mounting slots, the ELF S2 fits snugly under your display, creating a sleek, professional look without extra hassle.